What time is it? It's chicken time. Hello everybody, welcome to episode 1 of Chicken Time. This is the show where I'll be drawing a chicken every single day for the next 2 years. And so, to kick things off, we're drawing a chicken. A nice, plain Jane cartoon chicken drawn in my style to kind of set the whole thing going. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's episode. I sincerely hope you enjoyed today's drawing, and I look forward to creating another one for you guys tomorrow. So, until then, bye bye!